Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, our group we will present about our progress on Project 3. And the title of our project is Augmented Reality Based Educational Games for Mild Dyslexic Children. And the member of our group is Nabila Afrida, Revinda Amalia, and Salsabila Firdausi from class 4G. For the first one, we will talk about our GitHub account. In here, we already upload our asset, our code, and the audio. So actually, in the presentation before, we already present about storyboard 2. So in this presentation, we will present about storyboard 3. And in here, there is storyboard 3 asset that we already upload, and the audio that will be used in the next storyboard 4. And then for the complete version, we already uploaded on the G drive in here. So this is the link of the G drive if we want to upload the full version of our code. And then also there is a link of documentation report of our project. So for the first one, this is the asset of our storyboard tree. There is animation, audio that we use, the low poly fruits that we used to in the project, and some other there is a script also, and all of the assets that we use in this storyboard 3 progress. And then also this is the audio folder that I already mentioned before. There is around 10 MP3 that will be used in the storyboard 4 next. There is a alpukat, apple, lemon, pisang, and other audio. So if we play this, it actually the audio sound is like if alpukat, so the audio sound is alpukat. So it describes the object of the fruit. I think that is our GitHub account. Move on to our next, it's Trello account. So this is our Trello account. There is a to-do list, doing and done activity. For the done activity, we already finalized the idea project on September 10 and then finished the project proposal on 17 September. And then the first update of storyboard 1 is done in the 27 September until 2 October. And then in the presentation before, the second update of the storyboard 2 is the October 4 until October 9. And then for right now, it's the third update of the storyboard 3 on October 11 until October 15. And also, the audio that we already uploaded for the storyboard 4, it's done in the October 29. So what actually we are doing right now is to learn the basic of augmented reality, because this is the new topic for us, so we need also to learn it in day by day to done the project. And then continuing the update of the system, and also we are currently doing the storyboard 4, and the time it's from 18 October until 29 October. After the storyboard 4 is done, it will be go to the storyboard 5 in 1 November until 8 November. After that storyboard 5 is done, so it's actually the last of storyboard, so we will do the testing. So actually we will need to explain what actually we do in our third storyboard. So this storyboard 3, we done the import image of button asset, and then adding animation to the button, and then make the button appear after marker is detected, and connect button and change fruit function. So this is what we done in the storyboard 3. And then for the storyboard 4, What we done right now is to add in function to the play, to play the audio, and then pop up fruit animation, and then fruit touch function. If touch the fruit, so the audio will play, and then call the name of the fruit that match the appearance of the fruit picture. So this is the what we done in this storyboard 4 that currently ongoing right now. So I think that is our Trello account. We will move on to the documentation report. So this documentation report is document about all of our steps, all our detail of what we're doing in of this project. So there is in here there is a week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So each of week there is the detail on them, and we put it in this file, in this one folder. So we will move on to our week 3. So in this week 3, that done in around 11 October until 15 October. So first we import the image button, and then change all the image texture and all of the detail that we can read on this documentation. So this is from the first phase until the result of the last. So this is all the progress. There is adding script, there is change some the function, and all of this we can read it on the documentation report that I already input in the GitHub account. I think that is our documentation report. And for the next one, it will be the Unity and the display of the game, and it will be presented by Ravinda Amalia. Ravinda, time is yours.
Next is project on Unity. In this section, I will explain the progress of Salsabila Firdausi. In Storyboard 2, when it is run, we can only do the using the arrows on keyboard, and now we can press the button to change the fruit on, and on the button we can press the button, there is an animation. So when we see in hierarchy, we can see this is the button left and the button right, and on the button left we can add the script like this to change and add the animation, and this is the animation. And let's run, and we can run with DroidCam, and wait a minute, and can add this, and we can click the button on the Vuforia, and we can see this is the button can add the animation. And as we can see, this is we can change the fruit. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.